say they need it. Girls can never say no. You should tell me when you want it.
Oh. That sounded so cool. Smells good. Don't miss this. Shout out to the boys for the new apartment.
But welcome.
This place is fucking fat.
Were you on or off?
Oh, it's upside down. Wait, is it upside down?
No?
Oh, I'm just stupid. Look who joined the gang. Hey, 10. Anyway, we're at O'Sully's now. We're celebrating Kianis' birthday. It's this person right here. Oh, that's precious. Yeah, we're just here chilling so far. 2 shots in. About to be a chill night. Go, Lynn! Go! If you guys don't know who Lynn is, it's Justin's mom. That's my friend's mom.
And then she looked at me, I was like, I never had sex with him. Like, I don't want to see a kid ever in my life. And she's like, oh my fucking ass. You cannot record this, Alex. That's right.
Why?
That's why
The drink's poured.
it's just.
Alright, we're gonna wait. We're gonna keep filming until she drinks it. Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! What's up, guys? It's your boy, man. Hell yeah, we about to take this shot. Happy birthday, bitch!
And the reason that they found out is because she took a picture that like
Just so everybody knows, we don't chase in this bitch. We don't chase. Lynn, do you have enough jackets?
no, I need more.
Fuck! Alright guys, we need to get good jackets right here. What's up, guys? It is March 1st, and the way to kick off the month is we went to the gym. Shout out to Crystal for that inspiration of me just fucking getting off my fat ass and just gonna work out. But after the gym, I went to go to Justin and Kianis to go pick up Justin's snowboard because I'm gonna wax it for him and like tune it. But I do also have a birthday present for him, which is I'll show you guys when I'm like waxing the board. But I'm on the way home now. Gonna shower and then trying to figure out if we're going to Chaplin's or not, because it's our boy Marcos's last day. He's throwing up the bartending towel, so Marcos, if you see this, big shout out to you, brother. Wish you nothing but the best. If I can't wait to see what the future holds for you, man. It's just a sign to keep pushing forward. Just because everything is going right doesn't mean you should not seek out other opportunities. That's my inspirational quote for today, guys. All right, I'll catch you guys later. What's good, everybody? Like I said, we are going to be waxing and cleaning Crystal and Justin's board, and as a surprise to Justin, we are going to be giving him for his birthday some new bindings. So let's get the teardown going, get all this cleaning done, and let's put those on. kind of got a dilemma. I only have the rail discs for the binding, so I have to order 4 screw mount ones. So shiny. So I was able to actually fit his discs on his old discs on his bindings to his new ones. So now, oh shit. So his board looks like now. Got the white union bindings. Crystals looks all nice and shiny. Now we gotta go drop it off.